Homes, written by Michael Kwok. Long vowels, consonant, vowel, consonant, E. Bike, came, cave, cute, eve, fine, hike, whole, home, homes, Mike, mile, mine, name, quite, ride, rule, same, tide, time, wide. High-frequency words. Be, called, here, long, most, one, there. Homes are not all the same. There is no rule. A home can be quite big and wide. This cute home can sit on a bike. You can see for a mile in this home. It is a long hike up. Most homes do not ride on the tide. This one can. My name is Eve. This home is mine. I have called it home for a long time. My name is Mike. This home is mine. We just came here. It will be a fine home for us. A home can be called a hut, a cave, or a hole. It can be a home if you are at home there.